Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's fun to mix things up.
This is the VOMELON Milk Frother. It is rechargeable and comes with its own stand and a total of 3 different mixing wands. They're easy to change out, just pull out and you just match up the grooves with the locking mechanism. I love the mixer attachment because it's perfect for egg. I love the speed settings. It has low, medium, and high. It did such a good job thoroughly, whether you're doing scrambled eggs, batter of some sort. They're so easy to clean, put aside. The main reason why my husband needed this is that he makes himself a protein milkshake in the morning, and you can just see the quality tunneling that it creates with the different speeds. I use it for frothing my milk for my morning coffee. It makes such a big difference. It makes it taste so good. It also has that hook attachment, which is good if you're wanting to mix things into yogurt. I like adding protein to everything, but it's hard to make sure it mixes thoroughly into the yogurt. And that's why I really loved this. It comes with an adorable carrying case so that you can take it on the go anywhere you go. It comes with its own cord, and it gives you a light indicator to show whether it's charging and when it's full. I love the stand. It makes it so convenient and looks beautiful in my kitchen.
And that's my point of view.